Hello guys, I'm Kanak and you're watching Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to make 5 minutes ice cream. 5 minutes ice cream is easy and quick to make ice cream in 5 minutes. All you need is just a few ingredients and your ice cream is ready. It can be easily done by children also. Today I'm making Tutti Frutti mixed fruit ice cream, but if you want you can make any ice cream of your choice. In this, the combination of creamy texture of the ice cream with the crunch of Tutti Frutti fruits and the choco chips is one of the kind. So let's see how to make this ice cream. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, few drops of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of fruits of your choice. I am using tinned fruit cocktail, 1 tablespoon of Tutti Frutti, 2 teaspoons of choco chips, some cherries and mint to garnish, a bigger ziplock filled with ice to 3/4 part and a small ziplock bag for putting the mixture. 4 to 5 tablespoons of rock salt. The first step is to mix the heavy whipping cream with sugar and vanilla extract. Mix it well with the help of a spoon. Now add fruits of your choice. Here I am using tinned fruit cocktail. You can use any combination of your choice. Now add some Tutti Frutti to it. I am also adding some choco chips. That's optional because that's my daughter's favorite. I am using it. You can use fruits and nuts also, whichever you like. Now put the mixture in a small ziplock bag. Now comes the important setting part. Here I have taken another bigger ziplock bag filled with 3/4 part crushed ice. I am also going to add some rock salt to it, or you can also use ice cream salt. Now place the smaller bag inside the bigger bag and lock the bag and vigorously shake it for 5 minutes till the ice cream is set. Normally the traditional method of making the ice cream is to put the ice cream mixture into the freezer for few hours or until it is set. But today, as we are doing 5 minutes ice cream, this is the best way of making 5 minutes ice cream. Now as you can see, my ice cream is set now. Now it's a time to scoop it out and garnish it. I am going to garnish it with some more Tutti Frutti, cherries and mint leaf on top. I hope you like my 5 minutes ice cream today. Do try this one and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. You can also make this ice cream with any kind of flavor of your choice. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes. It's me Kanak signing out. Thanks for watching.